Differentiate y equals e to the x over 1 minus e to the x. Again, we have a quotient here, and we need to do the quotient rule because we can't simplify this in any other way. So we recall that the quotient rule tells us that we have to do low d high minus high d low all over low squared. So when we're differentiating this, y prime of x is going to be the lower function, 1 minus e to the x, times the derivative of the higher function, the derivative of e to the x is itself, minus the higher function, e to the x, times the derivative of the lower function. Well, the derivative of 1 is 0, so we've got minus e to the x, and the derivative of negative e to the x is just negative e to the x, so we've got minus e to the x there, all over the lower function squared. So this is going to be 1 minus e to the x all squared. Now in the numerator, we notice that we have an e to the x in the beginning and the second parts, the first part and the second part. So we could factor out an e to the x in the top. We could take out an e to the x, and then that gets multiplied by 1 minus e to the x. And then if we factor out this e to the x, remember we still have subtracting a negative, so that's going to end up being plus e to the x. And then this is all over 1 minus e to the x quantity squared. But we notice inside these parentheses, we've got a negative e to the x and a positive e to the x. Those two are going to actually cancel each other out. And we've got e to the x times 1 in the top, which is e to the x. So this is going to be e to the x over 1 minus e to the x quantity squared.